small price to pay for salvation.
Don't you guys hate when you're on a walk and you see a pretty girl and you're like, damn, she was really pretty. And then you remember like, number one, I'm chopped. Two, I have no idea how to talk to a girl.
She was a fairy.
Coming like a thief in the night. 16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed y'all.
Green, where are you from?
I'm from Poland.
Ah, you sound super. How old are you, bro?
Well, I'm older than you think. That's for certain.
13.
You flatter me?
It's a girl? What's that?